Welcome to week 5 of your research course. This week you're going to be learning about descriptive and correlational studies, and you're going to be reading in your Brown textbook chapters 5 and 6. First, just a word about the quiz that's this week. The quiz this week is over the qualitative research article that we sent out, and that was really last week's assignment. So this week you're going to be learning about descriptive and correlational, but your quiz this week is over qualitative. If you hear snorting in the background, it's my pug dog, and he has a squeaky toy too, so I'm sorry. That's just part of this house. I wanted to say a word about your study this week because you're getting into the quantitative research, and that's a little bit different, very different actually, than the qualitative. And you're going to have 2 weeks on quantitative research, and this week it's on non-experimental research, which means that there's no specific type of random assignment to groups. It's more of there's no effort to try to establish cause and effect. That's only done in your experimental research. This is non-experimental quantitative research that you're studying this week. Now, as you read Brown chapters 5 and 6, look at the objectives that you find when you click on the week 5 icon down the left column of your course shell. There are a list of objectives there. If you wanted to print those off and write the answers to those objectives as you read, that would be a very, very good way to study. My pug dog thinks he's a cat, so he likes to sit on the back of my chair. Sorry about that. Then after you have answered all the objectives, then look at the terms. Click on the word terms down the navigation column and make sure that you can give a definition and an example or an application of the terms that are in that list. If you can do those things, I think that you will probably be quite well prepared. Then to test how prepared you are, open the articles that are uploaded for you that you have links to from the column on the left hand there within week 5, and see if you can answer or find the answers to the why, how, and what questions in each of those 2 articles. Also, those articles would be a good place for you to see if you really understand the concepts that you learned that were addressed in the objectives or in the terms. For example, sampling technique. That's one of the things that you'll be learning, different sampling techniques for descriptive and correlational studies. See if you can find the sampling techniques in those 2 studies that are uploaded for you. So see if you can put the pieces together. Now, while you're doing this, make a list of what you don't understand and send it to me. And I will try to answer those things. If it's something personal that I need to answer just to you, I'll do it that way. But if there are general questions that I think that everyone in the class might benefit from hearing about, then I will put it in the virtual office. So even if you haven't posted a question to the virtual office, it's a good thing to visit there, because other questions that people have posted might benefit you in the long run too. All right, I think that's it for this week, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I hope that you have a successful quiz experience on Thursday this week. It opens at noon, it closes at midnight on Thursday, and you have 1 hour to complete it. And it would be a good idea for you to have that article that we sent you printed out and at hand while you're doing your quiz. All right, thank you much.